looks like an SS model. And the Comfort Series looks like it's screwed up. Somebody ruined it, and there's no lines. I guess they did something weird with it. And this thing has an LG scroll carrier. It's Comfort Series, and this the TECH2000 silent system. These are beasts. It's still surviving. So it's from 2014, and it's a 5-ton. 13's here. Straight cool unit. March 2014. And then this TECH2000 is probably replaced with TECH2000. This thing is from 2001, and it's a 5-ton. Oh, see, look, they hacked it here too. That sucks. This one still exists. And that's floating stuff. Alright. Okay, so here we have another carrier TECH2000. So again, it's a sound system. This one is a compressor blanket, unlike the last. And the data's packed in there, so I ain't getting that. It's like the exact same thing. Here's a train. And down here, some new tools. Sounds okay. The red off the road on the side is faded. Alright, this one appears to be running. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.